It would not be wrong to call MrBeast the king of entertainment world. If you want to grow very fast on YouTube, then you must learn a lot by watching the big YouTubers. How does MrBeast get so many views? Is his video boosted by YouTube himself, or does he have anything to do with YouTube? I have thoroughly analyzed the main channel of MrBeast and got 3 points for getting so many views. Point number 3 is very important, without which his video would never have got such views. Point number 1, thumbnail. Wait, you can never avoid this point if you are a YouTuber. Thumbnail brings clicks to your videos. It has a lot of importance. MrBeast is one of the clean, attracting, simple clickbait thumbnails to come up with. Point number 2, the title. If we see the title of MrBeast, there are not more than 50 to 60 characters, but he creates a lot of curiosities in it, so it gets a lot of clicks. If it stops, the image is simple, so everyone is focused to see the title. Point number 3. This point is the most important. Now I will not talk about video editing. If we like a video, we want more content in that video. That's what MrBeast did. He does a lot of experiments in a video which makes the audience keep watching and gets more views. So to grow fast, we need to understand and work on all those points of big YouTubers. Subscribe, like, comment for more videos if you have watched MrBeast video. Watching in the next video. Thanks for watching.